You gotta cut your losers short and let your winners run. Here's a trade that we had on SQ today, which is a nice slow Grok pot trade. And it was SQ just before opening here. It was falling, and it bounced off of its low, but then it immediately rocketed up here when after the market opened and was high basing up here. And we're getting ready to go long on this one. If you want to know more what a high base is, just go to our site, freeonlinetradingeducation.com, and go to our free chart school right there. And here are different trading patterns, and we're going to talk about what's called a high base. And a high base here is on the bullish side. We just click on it right there, and here's a picture of it where it runs up and it running horizontal to a line of resistance. And you can read about it here, and down here some examples from daily charts here that we've been shown before. And now I'm going to show you one on a 1 minute chart here for day trading. And here it is on SQ. We're ready to go long. Set my trade up here, let the market come to me, and boom, there it is. It's now hitting me, and I got in at $40.90. I'm long on SQ, and it was right here at the closing line, but then it broke out above it right away, and the $41 even dollar amount here. So we broke out above both of those, and I'm good to go. So I'm going to use this here as my stop. I'm going to put it under here, just about a 0.5% under where I got long at, now that I'm already in the money up here as far as price action is concerned, and I'm above two major lines of resistance. And there it goes, boom, 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 boom. Cool. Yeah, let's bring the stop in the money right here to where it's got down here. I now have zero risk in the trade. Boy, I love it when that happens, don't you? And then let's just sit this. We were trading several other ones, and we're still moving, and it's pulling back here a little bit now. And I have my money in the stop here. I'm going to pull it up here just under this 41.50 is acting as a support, was resistance here, now support. Bring it right under here. I'm in the money. This is great. No risk in this trade. All right, let's go trade some other stocks while we're doing that. And it's going up here. Well, now it's just steady on up here. And this 20 moving average is pretty darn close to the price action, but I'm going to stay just below $42 here on my stop. I'm up to $42.75. Give it a little bit of room to pull back if it wants to again. And now it hit its head at $43 even. So I'm going to be bringing my stop up. I'm going to follow this 50 moving average, this blue line, and watch it go. It pulled back right to that area. And now look at this. It's starting to form. I drew this in while I was trading. This is a rising wedge, and it's sitting here at 43.50 possible resistance, and this yellow line is a pivot line. These are intraday pivots you can put on your chart for intraday trading only. But look at that, lots of resistance here and everything else. And plus, I've been in this a long time, like for over an hour here now. So, and my stop here, I'm just bringing it along this 50 moving average here. Just keep it right along this 50 moving average, and just below that 43 even dollar amount. That could act as support, as it was once resistance. You know, put it right down here, right on the 50, and bam, look at that, right there. It fell down and stopped me out at $42.96. So let's take a look at this whole trade here. We started back here. We started a high base. Markets were going up, so I had odds in my favor. I took the trade, even though I was right at the closing line from the prior day and right at the $41 even dollar amount. But it took off from there, pulled back, and then it just kept on going, drifting higher and higher and higher as we continued to make other trades. Just left this one on the Grok bot, as we call it there, and it broke down below 43 and the 50 moving average, and I stopped out for 5% in 1 hour and 19 minutes. Hoo-ah! Well, this kind of was a struggle here today that we had. Let me show you what we did in the Grok day trading chat room today. This was the biggest trade of the day at that 5%er right here, but that took over an hour to make. But and look at all these. I had lots of break evens, and I kept cutting my losers short, but had a lot of them today. In fact, today we were just 2 of 12 trades for 16.6% success rate. Our target is 60%. However, because I was able to cut my losers short and let my winners run, I only had 2 income trades today, one for 5%, one for 2%. Net for the day was 2.9%. Didn't make our 5% total, but who doggies, you can be able to trade that many times and only have 2 income trades and still come out on top. That's a good day. So if you like to trade the Grok trade way, and I'm not just talking about day trading, I'm talking about all kinds of trading here, you can just go to groktrade.com. That's right, groktrade.com, and go up here to mentoring. And we are having a 3-day intensive training session starting this Saturday. That's right, the 2nd of December for 3 days. I will be leading that, and you can in 35 minutes. All you need to know about our Grok Grok mentorship program. You can just watch this right here. You don't have to worry about on your own schedule, and then schedule a call to have with us. Just not a sales call. It's just to talk about what your trading is and how our mentoring program may benefit you. This is Mark the Meerkat. Hey, remember to cut your losers short and let your winners run.